Hey guys, we're in the shop today and we're working on this beauty here. 1966 Mustang GT convertible, 4-speed. Look at this thing. Just awesome. We're gonna put a Concourse class exhaust from the Mustang shop on it today and see how that goes. So follow along. I'm gonna make a few different videos on this car and enjoy. All right, let's unbox this thing and see what we got. Well, a couple basic mufflers welded on. Yeah, let's see what we find for some tailpipes now in the other box. So you got some resonators, I guess? Alright, we're going to have to cut off these tailpipes. Double walled. No wonder it took so long.